Hi, my name is Samet Piratandi. My race number is UR15CS141, and this is my ninth experiment in Web Technology Lab. And my experiment is on to connect a PHP server and a database server. For the database servers, I'm taking the SQL server, that is AD and for PHP, I'm taking FileZilla. So I'm putting in webtech.kernel.edu server. So here, in my ninth experiment, my program is to create a login page. So here, first I have to give the user log up sign up page. So here the user can register his name, password, and can give number or other. I can give an email address in here, and after that I have to give submit here. Then a login page I have to create in here. So here, if the person is already having his username and password in the database, then he can access it. And a reset password I have created it in order to change the password. So that's it. So here I'm going for the program. This is the database. It is the ADSQL server. So here in my table, that is the database, I have username Simon, the password Peter, and I have an email, that is simon@gmail.com. It is the only data in the database. Now, so here's the page. As I have declared everything in FileZilla. I've done this in current.edu server. I uploaded the PHP files. Now in Chrome, as I'm accessing it. So here, I'll sign up for the page. Either I can log in or I can register. So first I will log in. If it was if already registered, click here. My username here and my password. Keep on logging. And so here login successful. Welcome Simon. So it's done here. And here if I want to register a new one, so I have to sign up here. So I'm done a new one. Sam password happy. Okay, I'm giving Sam at gmail.com. Register. So you are registered successfully. If I'm registered, so I can log in here. So I'm going to log in. So just enter the password. Login successful. So here I will show it. So this is my SQL database. So here existing, this is the first one. But now if I will refresh it. So here the new data has been added. So Sam happy and this is email. And again, if I want to change the password, so here I can change the password. If I'm changing Simon's password, Simon, his previous password was Peter. As we can see here, his password was Peter. So yeah. So now I'm changing it. I'm putting something else, such as Peter one email address, and here I'm giving change. Yes, I'm password changed successfully. That's it. Now I will log in here. Sam is person password is login. Login successful. Yes, I'm here. So now I will show the code for it. Now here. For the first page, sign up page, here I have created a form. Inside the form, I have created some text fields and a password field and an email field. So here the user will give the text, password, and email. In order to submit it, I have taken it to the data. Yes, in data PSP first, I'm taking using the user variables, the local variables. So I'm taking it and I'm connecting my uh, servers using this MySQLi connect. It will connect it. So here web.connect.edu. It is my PHP server, and this is my database password, my PHP password, and my PHP email everything. This is my database name, the table name, where I have created the username, password, and email. These are the three attributes in there. So I'm inserting the data in it using insert, and this will be stored in the result. If it's not true, then it will show error. If anything I have missed in here, it will show some error. And if the user gives everything, then it will show you are registered successfully. Mm, in login page, I'm taking, and here I'm checking it everything. So the first thing, if everything is logging, so if first the user will give his username and password, then it will check whether you want to keep it logged in or not, then submit. After submitting, it will take it to log.php. So in log.php, so here I am connecting the server using mysqli connect. After the connect, here I'm giving the register number and password, and after that I'm selecting the username and password. If and I'm checking if the record not equal to 0, means if it is equal, then it will say login successful, and it will say welcome. If it is not, then it will show not login, and it will again redirect it to login page. So here it will pass again here, and here I have a change password. In order to change the password, I'm giving pass.php, so it will change it to here. So here for here first it will ask for the username, the new password, and the email. Then it will send it to change.php. Inside the change.php, I'm connecting the SQL PHP server with SQL server using my SQLi connect, and I'm giving the server and using the password everything. And after that, I have given the command in here. In the query, I have written update, so it will update the older data which is already stored in the database. So it will change the password. Here it will change the password and username, and everything will be same. So here, then it will store again. So and it will store password change successfully. So here, as I have changed, so here I will show you again. Here login. So here, welcome Simon. It's login. If I want to change the password, Simon, I'm giving a big password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and email. Okay, changed successfully. Now we'll show whether it's changed or not in database. So here it's the older one, but if I refresh it, here it comes the password, the new one. So this is how we connect SQL server and database server. Thank you.